Okay, LeetCode problem 1544, make the string great. So given a string S of lower and uppercase English characters, a good string is a string which doesn't have two adjacent characters. So 1, 2, basically it's saying where S1 is a lowercase character and S2 is the same letter but in uppercase, or vice versa. So uppercase then lowercase of the same letter. So that would be bad. So we need to get rid of those instances in the string. Here's the example. So here we have E and then capital E, and you get rid of that, and then you're left with LeetCode. So you only do that for the one instance. You don't account for the EE as well. So I'll go ahead and, let's see, create a stack here in place, and then for constancy of S. So for each letter in our string S, so I gotta check if the stack.length is greater than 0. Therefore, I'll have something to remove if I need to remove it. And we're gonna check if we're gonna check the character code, the ASCII value of each. So say our character C in S has an ASCII value of 90. We could, let's see, so absolute value, so minus be stack one code. Okay, that's right, and then okay, so basically what this line of code does is it also, make sure we have something in the stack already, and then it checks the absolute value of the difference between the current ASCII value of C and the current ASCII value of the character that's on top of the stack. And if they're the same letter, just in different cases, the absolute value of their difference will always be 32 no matter what the letter is. So if that's the case, we just stack.pop. We get rid of that last one, and then if else stack.push. See, so we just push it onto the stack, and then to return, we do return stack.join join, and since stack is a list of array and we're trying to return a string, we'll just return that array joined by this empty character value, or the white space value, so it'll end up a string. So we'll run it, make sure all these pass, and it works.